Jew.
Wake up! Don't be passed out anymore.
Corey's like the worst Jew ever. Really? Like, if I had Hanukkah, I'd be like, I gotta kill a Jew first. Corey, you're a bad Jew. You bad Jew. Bad Jew. So wait, if I had to kill a Jew first.
Who woke him up? Why would you do that?
Worst Jew ever.
Can't believe what you're
Shit. You're the.
Can't wait to see if she's lazy eye or bung eye.
Seriously.
Correct. People are like, let's kill Jews.
Don't take the shit out of my purse.